When your phone unlocks with your face, Spotify recommends music, or ChatGPT answers a question, you're using artificial intelligence, or AI. AI is technology that helps computers perform tasks that normally require human intelligence.
Imagine a YouTube channel earning around $2,450 from educational content last month. This is just an illustrative example, but it shows the potential of consistent content. Hello everyone, welcome back. This complete whiteboard educational explainer video was created entirely from scratch, with engaging visuals, clear narration, and structured content. But here's the interesting part. I didn't have to manually design every visual or scene to create it. I created this entire workflow using Gulpo's regular platform interface. And in this video, I'll show you exactly how you can turn a simple idea into a professional whiteboard explainer. So, without wasting any time, let's jump into Golpo and see how it works. First, let's open Google Chrome and search for Golpo AI. From the search results, we'll open the official Golpo AI website. On the homepage, you can explore its key features, use cases, and example videos. Now let's click Getting Started and log into our account. Once we're logged in, we'll arrive at the main Golpo AI dashboard, where we can start creating our first AI-powered whiteboard explainer. And here's the main Golpo AI dashboard. This is where you can create your whiteboard explainer videos. At the top, you can enter a prompt or attach documents and other reference files. Below that, you'll find two primary video styles, Golpo Canvas and Golpo Sketch. You can also upload your own images and videos, add screen recordings, use audio-only mode, provide voice instructions, and even create custom AI characters. Gulpo also supports character consistency, which helps maintain the same character throughout your video. There are also several additional customization options available. Now that we've covered the main options, let's start the actual workflow and create a professional whiteboard explainer step by step. First, we'll enter our detailed prompt into the prompt content box. For this demonstration, I'm creating an educational whiteboard explainer video. The more specific and detailed your prompt is, the more accurately the AI can generate the script, visuals, and narration. Below the prompt, you'll find the Attach option. If you have a PDF, Word document, or another reference file, you can upload it here. For this demonstration, we're working entirely from a prompt, so I'll skip this option. Next, we have Insert Images. If you want to include custom images, reference visuals, or branding assets, you can add them here. I won't be using custom images for this workflow, so I'll leave this option empty. Now let's select our video style. First, we can preview Golpo Canvas. It includes multiple whiteboard and presentation style templates that are useful for educational and professional explainer content. Next, let's preview Golpo Sketch. If you want to create a more traditional hand-drawn sketch-style whiteboard animation, this is a great choice. For this video, I'll be using Golpo Canvas. Below that, you'll find the user-created videos and images section. We don't need that for this workflow, so let's continue. You'll also find the record screen with audio beta feature. This allows you to turn a screen recording into a whiteboard explainer. We won't be using this feature for this demonstration. There's also an audio-only option, which generates narration without creating a complete video. Since we want a full explainer video, we'll leave this turned off. You can also add additional voice instructions. For example, you can specify whether you want the narration to sound professional, friendly, energetic, or use another tone. For this demo, I'll use the default narration settings. Next, we have the Characters section. If your video requires recurring characters, you can create or select them here. With character consistency, the same character can be maintained throughout the video. I won't be using a character for this particular tutorial, so I'll leave this option unchanged. You'll also see Edit Script before creating video. If you want to review or edit the AI-generated script before creating your video, you can enable this option. Next, we have Color Fill In. When enabled, this feature automatically adds color after the whiteboard drawings are completed. Now let's choose our background music. There are several categories available, including educational, inspirational, documentary, and more. For this demonstration, I'll select None so the narration remains clear and easy to follow. Next, we'll select the video duration. I'll choose 1 minute for this demo. However, Gulpo can also generate longer-form whiteboard explainer videos of up to 15 minutes. Now let's select our narration voice. There are multiple male and female voices available. For this video, I'll select Female 1, Orientation and Language. Next, we'll select the video orientation. For this tutorial, I'll select Horizontal. Now let's choose our narration language. Golpo supports multiple languages, and for this demonstration, I'll select English. Now let's choose our visual style. By opening the preview, you can explore options such as whiteboard, chalkboard, infographics, and several other professional animation styles. For this demonstration, I'll use the standard whiteboard style. Next, we have pacing. This controls the speed of the narration and animation. I'll select normal pacing so the overall presentation feels natural and easy to follow. You can also customize the pen-in-hand animation. You can choose between options such as marker, pen, stylus, or none. For this video, I'll use the marker animation because it fits naturally with the whiteboard style. If you want to add your own branding, you can also upload a custom logo. I won't be adding a logo in this demonstration. Finally, we have display language. This controls the language used for the interface and captions. I'll keep this set to English. Generate the video now. All of our settings are configured. Before we continue, let's quickly look at Gulpo's pricing plans. You get multiple options depending on your video creation needs, but the business plan offers especially strong value. It includes 390 minutes of video creation per month, videos up to 10 minutes long, uploaded voice recordings, webcam presenter and picture-in-picture features, custom visual styles, and additional advanced creation and editing features. To put that into perspective, hiring someone to create a professional 10-minute explainer video can cost hundreds of dollars and may take several days or even more than a week. With Gulpo, you can generate similar videos within minutes and create multiple videos every month under one subscription. Let's do one final review to make sure everything is ready. Once everything looks good, we'll click Generate Video. As soon as I click Generate, here, you'll find the option, do you want to make the video public on Golpo Public Library/Video Gallery? Enabling this option will make your completed video publicly discoverable in Golpo's public library or video gallery. If you want to keep your video private, simply leave this option disabled. Preview the final video now. Golpo AI is generating our whiteboard explainer based on the prompt and settings we selected. Once the generation is complete, we can preview the final result and review the animation, narration, and overall quality. And there we go.
AI is technology that helps computers perform tasks that normally require human intelligence, like understanding language, recognizing images, or making decisions. Most modern AI learns from data. During training, the system studies huge numbers of.
Golpo AI has generated our whiteboard explainer video. If you're happy with the result, you can download the video directly from here. And if you want to make changes to a particular scene or modify the script, you can update your prompt or settings and generate a new version with just a few clicks. This makes the entire whiteboard video creation process much faster and more beginner-friendly. This means you can automate video generation directly from your coding environment. However, if you're an educator, course creator, YouTuber, or part of a corporate team, you don't need any technical setup. You can simply use Gulpo's regular platform interface and create your videos directly from the browser. So if you want to turn your ideas, scripts, or existing content into engaging whiteboard explainer videos without having to manually design every scene, definitely give Gulpo a try. You'll find the link in the description. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more AI tools and workflow tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.